Ever feel like the market is straight up out to get you? Like the second you set a stop loss, boom, you get wiped out and then price magically flies in your direction? Yeah, that's not a coincidence. It's a liquidity grab. And if you don't know how it works, you're basically gifting your money to the banks. Hand delivered, silver platter. Here's the truth. Institutions need retail traders to lose so they can win. They don't chase price, they control it. They know exactly where retail traders slap their stop losses, swing highs, swing lows, support, resistance, all the obvious spots. And guess what? That's exactly where smart money makes their move. They slam price into those levels, snatch your stop loss, and then send price in the real direction without you. Ever had that happen? Yeah, me too. It's a trap, and it's happening on every single chart. All right, how do you stop getting wrecked? Easy. You gotta know where the traps are. There are three major liquidity zones. Smart money hunts. First, stop loss clusters. This is where retail traders get obliterated. Price spikes into stops, then whips back hard. Second, session highs and lows. London, New York. Banks love to mess with price during these sessions. If you don't know this, you're getting hunted. Third, fair value gaps, FVGs. Hidden liquidity zones where institutions absorb orders before making the real move. Most traders ignore these, and that's why they keep getting manipulated. Now, here's how you flip the game. Step 1. Spot a liquidity pool, stop clusters, session highs, lows, FVGs. Step 2. Wait for price to spike into liquidity and reject hard. Step 3. Confirm entry with a BOS, break of structure, or an order block retest. Step 4. Set your stop below the liquidity grab, not inside it, or you'll get hunted again. Step 5. Target the next liquidity zone for max profit. Boom. That's it. That's how you trade like smart money instead of getting played like retail.